Hello friends, today I am going to give you an analysis of CA final financial reporting paper of November 2020 new course. It was a very easy paper, so those who must have appeared would have really got benefit from this because almost all questions were there from your either study material, RTP or past examination questions. And we have almost covered all these questions in the classroom except maybe one or two questions. Almost all questions were discussed and solved in the classroom also. So let me analyze directly question number 1A. It was for a 12 marks and it was based on Ind AS 109, a very easy question on finding the present value of the loan given to a staff and then passing journal entries or presentation. This is a very typical and very easy question usually covered in classes. Second was 1B for 8 marks. See the pattern also. Pattern is also not fixed now. It's not 5 marks for question. It is 12 plus 8, 20 marks first question. And the topic was Ind AS 33. A very easy question on Ind AS 33 where you have to compute basic and diluted EPS and you are given multiple potential shares. It was even covered in your intermediate class or IPCC class. Same thing was given in final also. Very surprisingly very easy question. Next question number 2A, a 14 mark question on Ind AS 115. So this question was there in your module and it requires you to calculate revenue under most likely method and expected value method. So if you have done the class properly, if you have studied the module properly or our notes properly, you will find this question there and you can easily solve it. Question 2B 6 mark was based on Ind AS 34. Again a very easy question on quarterly tax calculations. So these are the questions which we usually cover in the class and it was very easy. You must have done it correctly, those who have appeared. Question 3A 8 marks based on Ind AS 116 and this question was from sale and lease back transaction. Some reference of Ind AS 115 is also there. Similar question is there in ICI module. Similar question we have also covered in the class. So if you have studied Ind AS 116 properly, especially the sale and leaseback transaction, then you can easily do it. 3B was 8 mark question, Ind AS 36. One of the easiest question on impairment. Same to same problem is there in the ICI module and many similar problems we had covered in the class. Question 3C 4 marks was based on inventory and provision. So two chapters were merged there, Ind AS 2 and Ind AS 37, and you were required to create provision on debtors and certain inventories. And this type of question they are asking in CA intermediate also, old course of CA final also, and the new course of CA final, one of the highly repeated questions in the exam. Then question number 4A 6 marks, topic is Ind AS 32. I think this is the most repeated questions. They will give you a loan which is convertible and then you have to divide that into financial liability and equity portion. So I am sure you must have done 5 to 10 such questions in the class directly from your study module, one of the highly repeated questions in the exam. 4B 6 marks, topic Ind AS 108, and I think this was the easiest question of the entire lot. You were given 4 or 5 segments, their sales, and they are asking you to find out which of these are reportable segment. So those where it is 10% or above are reportable segment. I can't believe they have asked such easy question for 6 marks. Question 4C 8 marks, Ind AS 103. This was a good question because It tests your fundamental knowledge of business combination. You were required to find out the cost of acquisition. There was NCI, there was contingent consideration, and you have to find goodwill. So this is a very typical and a very fundamental question of Ind AS 103, which I am sure you can easily do it. 5A, 6 mark, topic Ind AS 19 employee benefit. Again a very good question. It covers your short-term compensated absences, profit sharing plan, defined contribution plan. Similar question is there in the module. It is there in your RTP or MTP, and it is usually covered in the class because this question covers lot of basic aspects of Ind AS 19. You must solve this question. 5B, 8 mark, Ind AS 7, a very good question on preparation of consolidated cash flow statement. Very easy problem, student can do it easily. 5C, 6 mark, based on two topics, Ind AS 28 and Ind AS 110 consolidation. A very good question on equity method of accounting. Very easy also. If you have done Ind AS 28 and Ind AS 110, you will be able to easily solve it. 6A, 5 marks. 6A, 5 marks, topic Ind AS 102. This is second easiest question in the entire paper. Problem on stock appreciation right. How much expense you will recognize in each year? I think you must have done 5-10 questions of similar type in your class. It is there in your study material also. Stock appreciation right related question. Very easy. 6B, 6 marks. Topic covered is Ind AS 12, that is taxation and consolidation. How the effect of taxation will go in some consolidation, that is your question. A very conceptual and fundamental question on Ind AS 12. If you have conceptually studied Ind AS 12, you can easily do it. It will just take few minutes to crack it. 6C, 5 marks. Topic is your CSR. CSR, that is your corporate social responsibility. This small typing error, CSR, and a similar question have been asked earlier also, but the interesting point was this question had something related to coronavirus also. So institute is also updated, but the question was very easy. If you have just spent half an hour with that CSR topic, you can do it. 6D, 4 marks. The topic was Ind AS 111. Again a very conceptual question on Ind AS 111. If you have studied Ind AS 111 2 or 3 times conceptually, and you can easily write it. Then there was a choice here in question number 6D. So that was either this is or. 4 marks, 115. Question was to determine whether the other party is the principal or agent. Problem of an airline agent, which is again there in your ICI module, covered in the classes also. So I am sure you can get it. This question was exactly what I took in our batch, and they have asked that question. Very easy question on 115. So on the whole, the paper was very easy, and I believe the student can easily score 60 plus. A student who has completed the whole course, who has revised it one or twice, can easily score 60 plus. Few questions were from your intermediate only, like that segment report problem was easy. Then that inventory problem was very easy. Basic diluted EPS was very easy. Stock appreciation right. These 4 questions are there in your CA, IPCC or intermediate also. Most of the questions were either from ICI module or past examination or RTPs. So thank you very much. Please immediately subscribe to YouTube channel AS Foundation. We are coming out with more reviews soon. Thank you very much. Good luck.